Microsoft, CompTIA, and PALO-ALTO, and Kickstart Your IT Career. Don't miss today's webinar with our latest exam questions and answers. In today's live webinar, you can try the latest exam questions, and also you will get the lifestyle offer today, so don't miss today's live stream to pass your IT certification on the first try. SPOTO focus on the IT certification training for over 22 years, and we can give you the best guidance during your preparation. So don't forget to like and give out a thumb up or follow our social media like Facebook and YouTube for more updates. In today's live webinar, we will focus on the fields of cloud and cybersecurity. Let's see what is the certification most in demand in 2024. Yeah, and what's more, we will have huge offer today during the live stream and become an early bird to say big. Stay tuned and you will know. Yeah. In today's lecture, I will walk you through the top 5 of the hottest IT certification in 2024. Follow me and we will do the practice test together. And this is the good opportunity to let you better know about the exam and pass it on the first try. Yeah. So before we start, I would like to know that which certification you want to get in the upcoming new months. Yeah, please comment and share your dream IT certification. Yeah. Wow, I noticed that some of you want to take AWS and some want to take Microsoft. Yeah, I see some. That's great. Go for it. It sounds great. And in the cybersecurity, many people would like to go to the CompTIA, PALO-ALTO, or Fortinet. This is very hot and popular in the cybersecurity. Yeah, and in this year, the PALO-ALTO have upgraded exam, and also for the Fortinet, there are some new exam. And in today's, we will share the latest exam questions with you, so don't miss it. First of all, let's look at the CompTIA network, CompTIA Security Plus first. CompTIA Security Plus is a global certification that validates the baseline skill necessary to perform the core security function and portrays an IT secure career. With this certification, will demonstrate your ability to assess the security of an organization, monitor and secure cloud, mobile, and Internet of Things environment. Understand laws and regulations related to the risks and commitments, and identify and respond to the security incident. So, CompTIA security is the baseline skill necessary to perform the core security function. So if you are new to this cybersecurity, CompTIA Security Plus is a good choice for you. And earning for cybersecurity plus certification can help you roles in such as system administrator, help desk manager, security engineer, cloud engineer, security administrator, IT auditor, or software developer. Yeah. So let's do the practice set together. And if anyone can answer the question correctly and you will receive the gift. So if you are ready, let's start from now. Yeah, let's do the press test together to assess your knowledge and skill. And I will show the correct answer and explanation to help you understand the questions well. For the winner who answer all the 5 questions, he or she will receive an extra bonus. Yeah, that's a very amazing. So can't wait to see it. Let's move to the quiz. For the question number 1, companies want to restrict upload to a popular file sharing website, but allow downloads from the same websites. Which of the following technology would be the best accomplishment to this goal? Okay, let's review the answers. The correct answer is D. Next generation firewalls provides applicant-aware filtering and deep packet inspection, can differentiate between the upload and download at the application level. So the best use for enforced policy is like allow download but block uploads on specific website. Okay, let's move to the next. The help desk receive multiple calls identifying the machines are running slowly when running enterprise applications. The help desk know that the affected machines are out of compliance with the organization OS baseline. Several users also report receiving virus detection alerts. Which of the following mitigation techniques should be help desk considered first? Okay, Thompson, let's review the answers. So the correct answer is D, isolation. When multiple machines can show performance are out of compliance with the OS baseline and generate virus detection alert, the intermediate concern is that the systems are actively affected and could spread malware across the networks. So isolation is the first step. Disconnect infected and suspicious machines from the network and prevent further spread of the malware to healthy system and allow investigation and remediation without affecting others. So the correct answer is D. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. An attacker gained access to a virus machine and was able to access the hyperversion. Which of the following describe this attack? Okay, thumbs up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is A. The VM escape occurs when an attacker breaks out of the isolated environment of a virtual machine and get access to the hyper version or others VM running on the same host. This compromises the underlying virtualization infrastructure. So the correct answer is A. Let's move to the question number 4. The executive teams has mandated that the IT department set up load balance on the application servers in cloud environment. Which of the following is the best reason for the mandate? A, B, C, D. Let's Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is C, improving availability. Load balance distribute incoming traffic across multiple servers. If one server fails, the traffic is redirected to healthy servers. This ensures that applications remain available and responsive even under heavy load or hardware software failure. So the correct answer is C. Let's move to the next. While troubleshooting a firewall configuration, a technician determined that the deny any policies should be added to the bottom of the ACL. The technician updates the policy, but the new policies cause several companies' servers to become unreachable. Which of the following action would prevent this issue? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is B. Asset control lists are process top to bottom. Adding a deny any at the bottom is usual best practice since it is as cautious at all. But if misconfigured or placed incorrectly, it can block legitimate traffic like company server. So the correct answer is B. Testing the policy in an non-production environment before enabling the policies in the production network. Okay, so that's all for the 5 questions for the CompTIA Security Plus. And in today's live stream, you can enjoy a lower price for the whole 24 hours. The cybersecurity, the security plus price tag original price is 300, and in today's yeah, you can enjoy the lowest price ever. It's only $117. Yeah, and also you can check our latest passing report. Our DAM is 100% cover the real exam questions. And we can ensure that it is the latest update as you can check the latest passing report. Yeah, and also we will provide free updates during the access day. Yeah, during our service time, you can access the dumps anytime, anywhere. Yeah. If you want to order, please click the link in the comment zone and then contact our admin in the WhatsApp group to get the coupon code and then apply the coupon code in the ordering. And you can enjoy the huge offer. Yeah. And now let's move to the PALO-ALTO next generation firewall engineer certification. This certification is ideal for network security engineer, system integrator, and IT professionals who want to demonstrate experts in protecting network using PALO-ALTO next generation firewall technology. Also, you can check the slavery of this exam. And this exam is newly updated in 2025. Okay, let's start to do the practice test together. PALO-ALTO Network NGFW use SSL and TLS profiles to secure which two types of connection. Okay, thumbs up, let's review the answers. The correct answer is A and C. PALO-ALTO Network Next Generation Firewall uses SSL as servers profile to secure management plan and using facing web service. Global Protocol provides the initial connection points of the global Protect clients. Need SSL and TLS secure the communication. Yeah. And the global protection gateways provide secure VPN tunnels for user traffic. SSL and TLS profiles are used to encrypt and authenticate the connection. So the correct answer is A and C. And let's move to the question number 2. Next generation firewall engineer is configuring multi-layer 2 interface on the PALO-ALTO network firewalls, and all interface must be assigned to the same VLAN. During the initial testing, it is reported the client located behind the wireless interface cannot communicate with each other. Which action taken by the engineer will resolve these issues? Okay, let's review the answer. The correct answer is B. On the PALO-ALTO network NGFW in layer 2 mode, multiple interfaces can be assigned to the same VLAN. All interfaces in the same VLAN should be placed into the layer 2 zone. Even within the same VLAN, traffic between interfaces is denied by default unless you configure a security policies that allow traffic within the room. Okay, let's move to the next. An organization run multiple class on both on-premise in the public clouds. They want to deploy the PALO-ALTO network CN series NGFW to secure the east-west traffic, which is class. Maintain consistent security policies across all environments and dynamically scale as container workloads spring up and down. This also plan to use centralized panorama instance for the policies management and visible, which approach meet this requirement. Okay, thumbs up, let's review the answer. The correct answer is B for multiple class environment, which both on-premise and cloud deployments deploy CN series in each cluster with a centralized panorama management to achieve consistent, scalable, and east-west secure. Okay, let's move to the next. Which PAN-OS method of mapping user to IP address is the most reliable? Okay, thumbs up, let's review the answer. The correct answer is C. PALO-ALTO network PAN firewall map user to IP address to enforce user ID based policies. Different methods have variable reliability, and the global protection provides the most reliable user to IP mapping because the firewall knows the authenticate user's IP directly via the VPN connection. So the correct answer is C. Okay, let's move to the next. Which room type allow traffic between rooms in different wireless systems without the traffic leaving the firewall? Okay, thumbs up, let's review the answer. In PALO-ALTO network firewalls, transition zone is specifically designed to allow traffic between zones in different wireless systems without the traffic leaving the firewalls. They act as a bridge for the inter-VSYS communication while staying within the same physical firewalls. So the correct answer is C. And in today's live stream, you can enjoy the lowest price for the NGFW-Engineer exam DOMS at the lowest price. Yeah, and this exam is the new exam. And our DOMS has 50 questions and 100% cover the real exam question. And you can definitely study it within 8 days. anytime, anywhere, and you can surely pass it within the 8 days. So the original price for this exam is 300. In today it's only $170. Yeah, it's only $170. Don't miss it. Our exam is 100% cover the real exam questions, and you can definitely study it within 8 days, and we can provide 24 hours access during your access times. Okay, then let's move through the next certification that was investing in 2025. This is the Fortinet Certified Solution Specialist. This is designed for professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to operate and configure Fortinet security solution. And let's do the practice test together. And you have configured the performance SLA with the promo as preferred passive. What are two observed impacts of the configuration? Choose two. Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is A and C. Preferred passive mode is observational only and does not actively probe the link, so that link may go unnoticed until traffic is impressed. Okay, let's move to the next. You want to FortiGate to use the SD-WAN rule to steer local out traffic. Which two construct should you consider? Choose two. Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is C and D. For local out traffic, SD-WAN is not automatic and requires explicit configuration per service. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. Which 3 factors about the SLA targets and SD-WAN rules should consider when configure SD-WAN rule? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The SLA target allows the SD-WAN rule to dynamically select and monitor members based on the measured performance, but multiple SLA targets must come from the same SLA. So the correct answer is C, D, E. And let's move to the next. As an SSP administrator, you are asked to configure AD-VPN on an existing SD-WAN topologies. Fortinet Manager manages the customer's devices in detected abandoned. The previous administrator used the SD-WAN overlay topology. Which two statements apply to this scenario? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is A and C. When configure AD-VPN view Fortinet Manager, enabling its trigger template updates, and you must select the AD-VPN version. Let's move to the next. When a customer delegates the installation and manager of its SD-WAN infrastructure to an SSP, the SSP can decide whether to keep the hub within its infrastructure or install it in the customer premise. What are the two common criteria that should trigger the installation of the hub within the customer premise? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is A and B. The hub placement on customer premise is mainly triggered by traffic patterns that require direct access to the corporate DC and centralized service like the internet layout. So the correct answer is A and B. And for the FCSS SD-WAN 7.4 architecture exam done, the original price is $400 and in today's it's only $220. You can save up to $180. And the DAM has 71 questions and we will provide you 10 days access. You can definitely pass the exam easily with our DAMs. So don't miss today's live webinars offer. And let's move to the cloud certification and let's look at the number 4 certification was invested in 2025. The AWS Solution Architect Associate, also called SAAC03, the confidential help the organization identify and develop the talents with critical skill for the implement cloud initiative. Earning AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate validate the ability to design and implement distributed systems on the AWS. Okay, let's do the practice test together. Companies run a production database on the Amazon RDS for MySQL. The company wants to upgrade the database version for the security compliance reason because the database contains critical data. The companies want a quick solution to upgrade and test functionality without losing any data. Which solution will meet this requirement with the least operation overhead? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is D. The RDS blue-green deployment are designed to minimize downtimes and risk when upgrading a production database. Okay, let's move to the question number 2. A company hosts its multi-tier public web applications in the AWS cloud. The web applications runs on the AWS EC2 instance and its database runs on the Amazon RDS. The company is anticipating a large increase in sales during the upcoming holiday weekends. The solution architects need to build a solution, analyze the performance of the web applicants with a granularity of no more than 2 minutes. What should the solution architect do to meet the requirements? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. A company runs its workloads on the Amazon Elastic Container Service. The container image that the ECS test technician use need to be scanned for the common vulnerabilities and explosions. New containers image that are created also need to be scanned. Which solution will meet these requirements with the FEWEST change to the workflow? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is A. Okay, let's move to the next. A company's regulated uploads the confidential data to Amazon S3 buckets for analysis. The company's security policy mandate that the object must be encrypted at rest. The companies must automatically reload the encryption key every year. The companies must be able to track key rotation by using AWS cloud trial. The companies must minimize cost for the encryption keys. Which solution will meet this requirement? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. Correct answer is D. Move to the next. Companies store raw collect data in the in the Amazon S3 bucket. The data is used for several types of analysis on behalf of the company's customers. The type of analysis request determine the access pattern on the S3 object. The companies cannot predict or control the access pattern. The companies want to reduce its F3 cost. Which solution will meet all these requirements? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is D. For the SAA 3003 times, the original price is 300. In today's, it's only $150. You can enjoy up to 50% off, and this price is the lowest ever. So don't miss today's live stream offers and get it now. And now let's move to the Microsoft certification. Microsoft certification gives professional advantage by providing globally recognized and industrial endorsed evidence of mastering skill in the digital and cloud business. Microsoft has certification paths for many technical job roles. Each of these certification consists of passing a series of exams to earn certification. And the hottest certification is Azure and Microsoft 365 certified. And the demand for the Azure professional is on the rise. In fact, the Azure related job posting increased by 66% from 2020 to 2024. Earning your Azure 104 certification can open door to liquid career opportunity from cloud architect to security engineering. Your success is the result of the Azure organization in the industry. Okay, let's do the practice test together. You have an Azure subscription that contains a storage account named Storage First in the North Europe Azure region. You need to ensure that the bulk data is added to storage. 1. A secondary copy is created in the East US region. The solution must minimize the administration effort, which should you configure. Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move to the next. You have an Azure virtual machines named VM1 and Azure key value named value1. On the VM1, you plan to configure Azure this encryption to use key encryption key. You need to prepare value1 for Azure this encryption. Which two actions should you perform on the value1? Each correct answer possesses part of the solution. Note each correct selection was 1 point. Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is B and D. Okay, let's move to the next. You have a Azure subscription. You have received an email alert when a resource log is removed from any resources in the subscription. What should you use to create an activity log alert in Azure Monitor? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answer. The correct answer is A. To create activity log alert in the Azure Monitor that trigger when resources log is removed. Okay, let's move to the next. You have registered DNS domain named CompTIA.com. You create a public Azure DNS zone named CompTIA.com. You need to ensure the record created in the CompTIA.com zone are resolvable from the internet. What should you do? Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is B. Okay, let's move to the next. You have an Azure subscription that contains a storage account named Storage One. You plan to use the condition when assigning role-based access control role to Storage One, which Storage One service support the condition when assigning role. Okay, time's up. Let's review the answers. The correct answer is E. Role assignment condition, also known as conditional RBAC, allow you to add condition based on the resource attribute for more regulate access control. For Azure storage, conditions are supposed for the block containers and queue. Okay, that's all for the Azure price tag. And in today's live stream, you can also enjoy a huge offer. The original price is $250. In today's live stream only, it's only 100, and you can save up to 150%. So don't miss it. Our DAM is 100% cover the real exam questions, and it is latest update. And as you can see from the passing report, that our DAM is the latest. So don't miss this chance. Don't miss this chance to get the latest DAM, and you can buy it now and start the service later. Also, as the times fire, and before the end of the webinar, we would like to introduce SPOTO to you. Yeah, founded in 2003, SPOTO specializes in the IT certification and provides sure short path material and practice tests to help you prepare and pass the exam. In the over 22 years, SPOTO has helped 100,000 candidates achieve their goals to get their PMP certification and foster 2,500 CCIE in all over the world. And we have over 300 products, and our candidate is over 152 countries and regions. We have very experienced teams and passionate about what they do as who they do it for, committed to your career succeed. And you can check our comments, our reviews from our customer in Trustpilot, Sister Drivers, and Reviews.io. We are highly recommended by our customer. And last but not least, if you want to pass any exam, don't forget to join our group. And you can find the link in the comments zones. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And thank you for joining us today. See you next time. Bye.